DJH Prestige Sports was just acquired this very high specification, a Land Rover Discovery 4 HSE. It's in absolutely superb condition. The colour is lovely, drives absolutely fantastic, but as you can see, really nice. Got the side steps, privacy glass. I'll put that there. It's a nice little cover for the back if you want to put it in. You've got the mat. It's got the 7 seats. Obviously these fold down and you get more space if you want to do it that way. There's pictures on the website. Again, just look at the finish on this car. Incredible. Wheels in fantastic condition. And this is just the outside. The inside is incredible too. Got the 3 sunroofs where the first one tilts and slides. Full leather interior. I love this wood finish, really complements the car. Electric memory seats, electric windows, electric mirrors. Nowhere on the bolster there. It's the pilot seats, you've got the armrests, tilt slide roof, automatic headlights. I'll just start the car up. Starts and sounds fantastic. Cruise control, phone function, 3-stage heated seats, satellite navigation. Come on in a minute. Different road settings, how you want to drive it. iDrive. Storage compartment. There's paddle shift on the gearbox. There's your satellite navigation. Reverse camera as well. Obviously that's shown in the sky because I've got it open. Menu screen there. It's got Meridian sound system. Absolutely fantastic condition. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.